This house begins with a tree, a single palm tree that cuts through the roof and defines the entire design. This is the White Dates house, designed by the Ranch Mine in Arizona. And here, the house was not conceived as an isolated object. It was designed from the place, the climate, and what already existed on the site. The front facade is not fully open. There's a filter, a perforated block screen, inspired by modernism that protects from the street, but at the same time directs the view toward the mountain. In other words, the house does not show everything, it frames. The entry is not marked by a door, but a palm tree growing through a triangular opening in the roof. In other words, the first gesture of the design is not to build, it is to preserve and use that as the central point. The name of the house comes exactly from this, from the date palms present on the site. The house also responds to a specific context. Right in front of it, there is an iconic modernist desert house, the White Gates, designed by Al Beadle, and this creates a challenge. How do you build something new without ignoring what is already there? The answer was not to copy, but to reinterpret. Elements of modernism appear, but in a contemporary way, cleaner, more controlled. The house has a low profile, horizontal. It barely calls attention, but it opens completely to the landscape, especially toward the view of Camelback Mountain, and this defines the internal organization. The main spaces are oriented in that direction: living room, social area, and also the primary suite, all connected to this view. And this connection is not small. The doors are fully glazed, from floor to ceiling, and they can disappear completely, opening the space to both sides, front and back. In other words, the house does not have a single open side. It flows through. The wind enters and the space transforms. The house is organized in a very clear way. On one side, the primary suite. On the other, the bedrooms, office, and support areas. And at the center, the social spaces, all connected to the outdoors. Cacti, stones, typical desert vegetation. The house imposes nothing. It simply fits. Nothing draws more attention than the landscape. Concrete flooring, light finishes, warm-toned wood, black accents. Everything is very controlled, very balanced. Another interesting detail is that the design language appears in the details as well. The palm leaves inspire internal patterns in the millwork, in the panels. In other words, the concept does not remain in the layout, it extends into the interior. The palm tree passing through the roof is a direct reference to a classic design by Albert Frey at Palm Springs City Hall, where the architecture also opens to the sky through a natural element. The house also responds to the desert climate: shade, ventilation, transitional spaces, courtyards. Nothing is fully exposed, and nothing is completely closed. There's always a transition between inside and outside. White Date's house does not begin with form, it begins with place, a tree, a view, and an existing context, and the architecture emerges from that. A house that does not try to dominate the site, but to organize itself from it, and it shows that sometimes the most important element of a design was already there before the architecture.